Spiked hot chocolate is a really easy cocktail to make, but it can also be a really hard cocktail to drink if you use the wrong ingredients. I'm Kelly Anthony, this is the Anthony Kitchen, and in this house, we are all about using great recipes that are going to bring you, your family, and your friends closer together. Today, I'm gonna show you how to whip up a smooth sipping, flavorful spiked hot chocolate, and it's gonna be the best hot chocolate you've ever had, guaranteed. To make a really good spiked hot chocolate, you have to start with really good hot chocolate. You'll start by combining sugar, cocoa powder, salt, and water in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir and let that mixture come to a rapid simmer. Then you'll add the milk and the cream, give it a stir, and let it heat through. As soon as the milk and the cream have heated through, you've got hot chocolate. Just add a little splash of vanilla, stir it one more time, and you're done. My favorite ingredients for spiked hot chocolate are very reminiscent to those in a White Russian. We're gonna have Kahlua and vodka, but I like using vanilla vodka. It plays really well with that hot chocolate. So we're gonna start by adding an ounce of Kahlua to the glass. Kahlua is a coffee liqueur, which also goes extremely well with chocolate. And then we're gonna add a ½ ounce of vanilla vodka. You'll just ladle in that hot chocolate. Now we're just gonna hit it with a little whipped cream garnish. And that is one exceptionally delicious spiked hot chocolate. If you love delicious chocolatey cocktails, be sure to check out our mudslide video next. As always, I'll link to the recipe in the description below. Be sure to click that subscribe button before you go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.